the left parties or the center-left parties will attack, even your own party will attack and Adani will attack industrialists, and then you invite Adani to come and invest in your state. Explain that to me.
That's a very good question. See, when undue favors are done to any business group, we need to point out that is precisely our job and task to do
So
that.
if Mr. Adani got undue favors, then why do you want him in your
No, I'll
state?
tell you, see, we are not...
Did you give him undue
I'll
favors?
tell you, we are not against anybody investing in Kerala. And first of all, just to correct you about this Adani thing, that Vizhinjam port which you're saying, okay, that Adani became a partner to that Vizhinjam port, not during left's period. It started during UDF period. It was Congress which did it actually. But we made it a point that when a port has been triggered there, when the work has started, see, for the larger good of the people, we'll continue with that. We didn't wind up that. So you should be thankful to the pragmatism of the left. So it's not that we invited Adani.
So it becomes
And I'll tell you one thing.
pragmatism when you do it.
No. I tell you,
ideology can
no,
take a
I tell you
backseat.
one thing. See, if any industrial house getting patronage, undue favors, we are against that. That doesn't mean that you see an industrial house is barred or banned from investing elsewhere. Lot of these industrial business houses have invested in Kerala. We invite them. Come on, invite. But there is something called a quid pro quo that's happening. Like the quid pro quo which happened in the form of electoral bonds. We are against that. At least you should appreciate the fact that we are the only one political party who didn't take up.
No, I really appreciate the pragmatism.
Which didn't even pick up 1 rupee in the form of electoral
that can
bond.
be pragmatism, it could be flexibility, it could be convenient flexibility when it suits you guys. Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.